When you're just beginning your business, one of the first things you think about is what platform to use for your website. And while there are many fantastic options available, the simplest ones to use are website builders. And in the case of WordPress, making it really simple to use a free page builder. Let's have a look at what a page builder is and how one can benefit your business. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs get their businesses up and running online with a standout brand and website. You know that you need to get your business online if you want to reach your dream clients, yet so many entrepreneurs just starting out want to run and hide at the thought of creating their own website. Why? Technophobia, of course, and the belief that they aren't tech savvy. Have no fear though, creating a website for your business can be really simple now that we have free user-friendly page builders at our fingertips. Let's go over 5 big advantages to using a page builder to set up your website. Number 1, you don't need to know how to code. A page builder is a tool that lets you easily build your website using drag and drop elements. You want an image here? Simply drag over the image module. Want to add some text below it? No problem. Just pull the elements you need onto the page and place them accordingly. No code necessary. Need I say more? They even allow you to view how each page of your site will appear on mobile devices and easily make adjustments to customize them according to device as needed. 2, build your website more quickly. Because of the module blocks that you can drag and drop onto the page, it can move along very quickly. Now, I'm not going to discount the fact though that you can't just dive into building a website. You first need to nail down your messaging, your branding, and your content so that you have a game plan when going into a web project. If you skip over planning out your website first, how it will work and what will go on each page, it's obviously going to be a much slower process. That's why I teach all of my students inside of my Simple Start program to work with a content first approach to building a website. 3, match your brand. If you select a pre-built theme, you'll need to know code in order to customize it or otherwise use it as is. And if you use it as is, it's not going to be unique to your business and it also won't be consistent with your branding. Consistency is important because when people see your brand, they'll start to recognize it. And the more they recognize it, the more they'll feel safe and start to trust you. And it's like I always say, consistency equals trust, and people buy from those they trust. 4, make changes easily. Page builders allow you to change the fonts and the colors and the copy, even the location of the elements on the page quickly and easily. The best part is that they're so user-friendly, you can easily make content changes on your own without having to hire a developer for each change, which will save you time and money. And number 5, have more flexibility for growth. The very best thing about page builders is that you're able to save templates from what you've already built. This allows you to help keep your branding consistent as you develop more pages on your site. You can save sections or entire pages as templates and then reuse them on other pages of your site, making creating new pages super quick and simple. Another huge benefit is that you can create and save landing pages and sales pages as templates that you can reuse over and over again without having to use third-party tools or have yet another monthly fee. So you can see that using a page builder to build your website is an absolute no-brainer if you're planning to DIY your website in a way that it can keep up with the future growth of your business. Now you may be thinking, where do I even start with building an online business? How do I get my business set up? How do I create a brand, write my copy, and actually create my website? I hear you. What you need to know is what exactly you need to do and how to do it so that you can get your business up and running online without breaking the bank or having panic attacks over all the technology. The good news is I'm sharing my step-by-step system to take the guesswork out of doing all of this in my upcoming live training, The Simple Way to Create a Standout Brand and Website Without Wasting Time on Tech Overwhelm. And it's free. So if you're ready to stop being stuck and start moving forward with your business, go grab your free spot to this training at dowellwebsites.com/simple. I'll see you there.